There are a lot of things which make Baloch Academy different from other academies, like well-trained teachers, good and entertaining environment, and friendly directors. These all are the things which make Baloch Academy different from other academies. But there are two main things which make Baloch Academy different from other academies. The first one is this, that while teachers enter in the class, they think that we should make our students more and more talented in each day. And the second thing is this, that grammar exhibition is the thing which is just being performed in Baloch Academy.
Baloch Academy is the center where students transform into fluent English speakers. Here they conduct speaking tests which improves our speaking. If you are searching for a center to become a fluent English speaker in future, then Baloch Academy is the best option. Come and try it out.
Communication and writing are good skills and works internationally. I remember that when I came in this center, I didn't know a single word, but now I can see many changes in myself. That I can communicate with others, I can speak well, and I can bring my ideas on a page in a well manner.
It was 2018 that I took admission in this center. I started from basic. When I came, I was unable to speak, write, and couldn't read. But I continued my reading. People made fun of me that he will read, he will be a speaker. But today, those people appreciate me that you are a well speaker. Whatsoever I have learned and whatsoever I know, the credit of it goes to Baloch Academy and my teacher.
I find BLC teachers very creative and hardworking. The teachers of BLC are very cooperative and humble, and also they just made a good environment in the center. If I take a look over me, I can see that how dull I was and how bright the BLC teachers made me. They never let their students get bored because there are many activities in the class, like dictation, grammar exhibition, writing competitions, and also presentations. And they are the best teachers in the world.
I find the teachers of Baloch Academy very friendly and very cooperative. And what I like the most is every teacher makes the student to follow the rules.
All of it. But most I like the Baloch Academy. They teach well. Their teaching concept is perfect.
The activities of Baloch Academy are numerous, such as writing competition, grammar exhibition, but which I like the most is speaking test, because this activity is being done only in Baloch Academy among all centers of district cage. It's an amazing activity which has enhanced my speaking power. When I joined this center, I did not know how to speak English and did not know how to answer somebody's question. But Alhamdulillah, now I can speak English, and the director of Baloch Academy has taken this initiative to improve speaking skills. I like this activity because this activity has not only improved my speaking, but also it has boosted my confidence.
The reason that I have chosen Baloch Academy is its environment, the friendly teachers, and different activities like grammar exhibition, writing competition, monthly programs, and most importantly, speaking test. I think they are all the reasons that impressed me to join this family, and I have never regretted on my decision of choosing Baloch Academy. Actually, the hardworking faculty and cooperative environment always made me feel lucky, and I am lucky to be the part of this family.
When I joined Baloch Academy, many changes came in my life, like my skills got changed completely, like reading skill, writing skill, and speaking power. These all have improved. And after joining Baloch Academy, I knew that what I was before it and what I am after it. Today I am speaking English in front of you due to the Baloch Academy. And due to the educational activities of Baloch Academy, today I reached in this level to defeat someone and to answer the questions. And before Baloch Academy, I studied in many language centers, but the changes which I am seeing here in me, I didn't see anywhere.
There are different activities for senior classes and junior classes. For senior junior classes, there are book review, movie review, essay writing competition and article writing competition. For junior classes, there are conversation writing competition and video classes from basic to beginner 2.
मजीद दिलचस्प मालूमात और खबरों से आगाह होने के लिए गिदरोशिया पॉइंट फेसबुक पेज, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर को फॉलो और यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बेल आइकॉन बटन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि मकरान समेत बलूचिस्तान की खबरों से जुड़े रहें।